In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna on eBay. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check out on eBay using Klarna's card details so you can split your purchase into manageable payments. Before we start, make sure you have your Klarna app set up and ready, since you'll be entering the card information Klarna provides at checkout. Availability can vary by region and seller, so if you don't see Klarna options, that's normal and usually depends on where you're shopping from and the item you're buying. First, select the product you want on eBay. Take a moment to review the listing thoroughly. Confirm the condition, size or variant, shipping cost, estimated delivery date, and the seller's return policy. Look at the item location and any import fees if you're ordering internationally. It's also a good idea to check your total in the checkout preview so the amount fits within your Klarna spending limit. When you're confident this is the right item, make sure you're signed into your eBay account and ready to proceed. Next, click Buy It Now. This takes you straight to checkout and keeps things simple when you're planning to pay with Klarna. If you have multiple items, you can add them to your cart and check out together, but for a single purchase, Buy It Now is quick and clear. On the checkout screen, confirm your shipping address, choose your preferred shipping method, and verify the item quantity and final price, including taxes and shipping. Now, in the payment section, click Add New Card. This is where you'll enter the card details you get from Klarna. You're essentially paying with a card number that Klarna provides, just like any other credit or debit card. If you've used a Klarna card on eBay before and saved it, you could select it. Otherwise, adding a new card is the way to go. Then add your card details. Carefully type in the card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as shown in Klarna. For the billing address, use the address Klarna expects for that card, which is typically your own. Double check the total amount and make sure it matches what you expect to pay. If you plan to use Klarna on eBay again, you can choose to save the card for next time. When everything looks right, continue through the prompts to confirm the order. You should see an eBay order confirmation and Klarna will show your payment schedule. Keep an eye on tracking, and if you return or cancel, follow the instructions in both eBay and Klarna so your installments are updated correctly. That's it. Simple, clear, and fast. Happy shopping.